Okay, this is the DINO Thunder Black Ranger, the original Bandai version. And as you can see, it didn't finish the gold painting here. And the staff is a one solid colored.
Rangers unite!
Sound will still work. And still got some neat gold that need to be finished off here. And on this side. And I'm gonna need to fix the legs because they got this loose thing here. Alright, so now let's take a look at the finished look. Alright, so here is the Black DINO Ranger all finished up. Now, started. No leg movement. Now, what I did for that is I took some of this type of paper that I was using for something else. I had some scrap pieces and put it on the both sides in this section and in this section, and then squeeze the legs back together. And it still works.
Rangers unite!
So now it's nice and tight. Now also, you can see I finished the paintwork that was left unfinished. As you can see here, all along the arm here, and on this side, and I even did up the morpher a bit. And I'm showing right now, you've been noticing. This staff is bronchial staff. I used images I found online, official images, and did my best to paint it up. And this is a liquid chrome marker done here with these chrome sections. The rest is tester's paint, model paint. That's how he looks with it in his staff in his hand like that. And like that. And I'll just do this here quick video showing off of everything. But to this rate, let's
Rangers unite!
all DINO Rangers all together. All completely paint what their fix is. So yeah, thanks for watching.